cold open. Ever wonder what makes a winning dissertation proposal? Let's dive right into it. Firstly, we have the introduction. This is your chance to present your research question. Make it compelling, concise, and clear. Next is the literature review. Here, you'll examine relevant studies and theories to highlight the significance of your question. Following that, the methodology. Outline the research design, participants, materials, and procedures you plan to use. Remember, the more detailed, the better. Then, we have the results expectations. What do you anticipate finding? This shows you've thought deeply about your research. Finally, the timeline. This demonstrates your project management skills and ensures you're realistic about your research journey. So, there you have it. A step-by-step approach to crafting an optimal dissertation proposal. Remember, the key to success is in the details. Now go forth and conquer, future psychologists.